Welcome back, Green Thumb's machinery family. Today, prepare for an awe-inspiring exploration into the realm of advanced heavy machinery that truly redefines the industry standard. We'll delve into the world of colossal 1,000-ton super machines and incredibly powerful high-capacity giants, showcasing engineering marvels like you've never imagined. Are you ready to be astonished? Transporting the silo from its manufacturing site requires a trailer towing truck and auxiliary vehicles to ensure balance and prevent any uncontrolled movements during transit. This coordination is crucial for safe and efficient transportation. The R980 SMME excavator is engineered for outstanding performance and productivity in challenging conditions and applications. It boasts several key features that enhance its impressive digging capabilities, making it a reliable choice for demanding projects. The XGC 88000 features a main boom that extends to 108 meters and a fixed jib of 13 meters, offering a working radius of 29 meters and an impressive height of 130 meters. With its substantial lifting capacity, this crane can hoist loads to a remarkable height of 80 meters, making it a formidable asset on any job site. Road excavators play a crucial role in coal mining and in the removal of waste rock post-mining. The RR130 is versatile enough to be used in hazardous coal mines, effectively operating in both methane-rich environments and areas without methane, ensuring safety and efficiency in challenging conditions. The Montana 4500, with its impressive 4,500 horsepower and over 1,500,000 nanotorques, stands unmatched in its category. This powerhouse excels in digging capabilities, effortlessly excavating trenches up to 160 feet deep. The Ripper, the T-Charret, is a cutting-edge blade transport system designed for the safe and economical transportation of oversized loads. Its integration with a trailer unit makes it particularly well-suited for carrying heavy. The hydraulic metal borer is the ultimate tool for shredding, cutting, and bagging a wide variety of scrap metal. The Moros effortlessly handles substantial structures, including steel sheets, washing machines, household appliances, and even entire cars, all with impressive efficiency and finesse. The construction of the bridge, weighing up to 1,000 tons, utilizes the world's largest machine of its kind. This remarkable machine can transport and install bridge spans that each measure 40.6 meters and weigh over 1,000 tons. CCAP 365C excavator is a titan among earth-moving machines, weighing a colossal 65,900 kilograms and delivering a formidable power output of up to 403 kilowatts, 542 horsepower. Its unparalleled strength and capabilities make it a dominant force in the industry. The Lear R9800 is engineered for large-scale mining operations, measuring 23.9 meters in length and 11.7 meters in height, with an impressive weight of 800 tons. It is equipped with a substantial 7,500-liter fuel tank and features 2 engines that deliver a total of 4,000 horsepower. The UID GMTC-12 bulldozer, a motorized powerhouse originally manufactured by UID Trucks, is a legendary figure in the realm of classic bulldozers. Renowned for its reliability, it remains a top choice for the construction and mining industries. The CAT 963 is an essential asset in both agriculture and construction, demonstrating exceptional power and performance in revitalizing old farmlands. Did you know that land reclamation on large farms is an ongoing task that requires powerful machinery to operate heavy tools? The combination of a giant tractor and a 21-row plow exemplifies a robust agricultural sector. highlighting the importance of advanced equipment in optimizing land use and enhancing productivity. The digger is designed to effortlessly separate vines, specifically engineered for efficient handling of bean and pea crops. Its specialized design ensures effective operation while maintaining a gentle touch, resulting in faster vine separation without sacrificing quality. One of the standout features of the TM101 is its ability to grind waste effectively. This machine not only compresses waste, but also significantly reduces its size, resulting in substantial space savings while maintaining high performance levels. The TMIC Evo Surface Miner is a formidable machine engineered for mining and excavation. Designed for various applications such as surface mining, trenching, and road construction, its compact size and exceptional maneuverability make it a standout in its field. The Wausau Model BAB is a specialized snow excavator frequently used for clearing and cleaning snow from highways, streets, and airports. Weighing 29 tons, it features a dedicated snow loading system and robust wheels, ensuring efficient snow removal in various conditions. The Leader 2200 is a formidable screening machine, engineered for power and versatility to handle the toughest soil conditions. It serves as a dependable solution for separating loose or sticky soil, guaranteeing exceptional effectiveness in any task. The CAT D7 RGP is engineered for operation in the harshest conditions of Antarctica. Its design features that prevent sinking in snow and ice are essential for maintaining the region's airports, ensuring safe and reliable access even in extreme environments. Now, let's take a look at the 4045 T-Series chain trencher from Inner Drain in action. This powerhouse effortlessly handles tasks such as laying a 15-inch Clark farm, showcasing its remarkable efficiency and capability. This service streamlines the pumpkin harvesting process, making it faster and more efficient, enabling farmers to achieve higher yields. This advancement represents a significant leap forward in the agricultural industry, enhancing productivity and sustainability. The RM85750 is essential for cleaning ballast tanks in tanker ships, efficiently removing sediment and other contaminants. This process is critical for addressing silt buildup and ensuring optimal conditions within the tanks. The Komatsu C144 electronic automatic control system features a cutting device equipped with a felling head that extends from 7.4 meters to 13.4 meters, providing a working height of up to 13.4 meters. This advanced system enhances efficiency and precision in forestry operations. The LB44 drill stands out not only for its impressive performance, but also for its easy maintenance and stable operation. Its well-defined drilling cycles ensure consistent reliability, enhancing both machine speed and overall efficiency in drilling tasks. The Barth Hulan Drain EGS 3000 utilizes a distinctive approach with specially designed blades that gently lift the soil, creating a clear path for drainage pipe installation. These excavators are designed to operate at maximum capacity, ensuring peak efficiency and completing tasks with remarkable speed. The Challenger MT775E, equipped with the Casella Ripper, is actively applying organic liquid fertilizer on the farm. It is supported by 4 tankers, each with a capacity of 40 cubic meters. In Indonesia, creating a machine like the Monster Keto requires impeccable coordination of cutting-edge technology and sophisticated techniques. It transcends being a simple mode of transportation. It represents progress and the ability to tackle complex challenges head-on. The machine's continuous and efficient operation is supported by a large 4,000-liter tank and a 33-meter airflow with a crane system. This setup enables precise performance while maximizing energy efficiency, ensuring optimal control during use. The robust, strong 78 kW diesel engine, which can be upgraded to an impressive 563 kilowatt, provides powerful performance while adhering to stringent Stage 4 emission standards. The NSPN 4100S pump installed on this vehicle efficiently delivers both water and foam, enabling rapid-fire suppression. Its dual capability allows the truck to respond effectively to various emergency situations. The Soil Max Stealth ZD plow excels in maintaining steady ground elevation, ensuring consistency and efficiency for drainage systems. This ability is vital for preventing subsidence and fostering an optimal environment for growth, making it an indispensable tool in agricultural applications. The Bobcat trencher attachment can be mounted on the Bobcat Trencher S250 machine, allowing for the creation of trenches with adjustable depths and widths. It boasts an average digging speed of 6 to 15 feet per minute, making it an efficient tool for various excavation projects. The Caterpillar 6150B excavator epitomizes power and performance in the mining and construction sectors. With its formidable strength, the 6150B excels at digging and lifting heavy loads, making it an essential asset on any job site. This wood splitter features a compact and user-friendly remote control, enabling you to cut wood from a distance. With the ability to generate a cutting force of up to 76 tons, it efficiently handles even the toughest logs, making it an effective tool for wood processing. FMG's tractor trip grader is ideal for maintaining gravel roads. Its 4 blades efficiently loosen and level hardened surfaces, while the wheel block smooths and consolidates the finish. The Woodcracker C-Series is designed to cut and process a wide range of wood types, from small shrubs to large trees and branches. With a user-friendly design, these machines enable convenient and efficient operation. The RH70 excavator is a powerhouse, adeptly handling large-scale projects with ease. A key feature is its robust hydraulic system, which uses hydraulic oil to generate push and pull forces through cylinders, enabling efficient operation and enhanced digging capabilities. As the environment and pristine nature gain more attention, using the right machines, employing optimal methods, and managing resources wisely are crucial for ensuring safety. The Rockin H4 refiner represents a significant advancement in grassland technology, particularly in Western Australia. This innovative machine has notably enhanced output and productivity, setting a new standard in the industry. The Option Bow Model BG45 holds the title of the world's largest rotary drilling rig, weighing around 170 tons. Specifically designed for subground improvement, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel to stay updated. This way you won't miss any of the thrilling new videos featuring the latest advancements in heavy machinery. The Mansion Yangtze River Bridge, which integrates both railway and highway components, features a tower crane with a unique design that includes a flathead main tower, an auxiliary tower, the AFT 100 trenching machine is a powerhouse, ideally suited for tractors with 80 to 105 horsepower or more, especially in challenging soil conditions. The K-Tech Model RL12 land leveler is engineered for flattening and leveling ground in construction, agriculture, and mining projects. With a length of 12.2 meters and a width of 3.66 meters, what distinguishes the Liberty T284 is its enormous transport capacity, capable of handling loads up to 363 tons. This colossal machine towers over 96 meters and weighs more than 14,000 tons. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit the like button. The Genesis GXT mobile shear represents the next generation in scrap processing, designed for enhanced efficiency. The latest Sandvik Ranger DXI series rigs have revolutionized the drilling industry. Capable of drilling holes from 64 to 140 millimeters in diameter, they are the perfect choice for a diverse array of drilling applications, offering unmatched versatility and efficiency. The Concrete Buster CB7500 is specifically engineered for the primary demolition of large reinforced concrete structures. A truck measuring approximately 20 meters in length and weighing around 30 tons navigates a treacherous forest road. With a mountain wall on one side and a deep abyss on the other, even the smallest miscalculation could lead to catastrophic outcomes. The company's diverse fleet includes excavators, loaders, graders, rock crushers, concrete cutters, drilling rigs, trucks, and cranes. The combination of the versatile capabilities of the AGRM StripCat 2 and the robust power of the CL Axion has significantly streamlined soil cultivation. There's no doubt that the AGRM StripCat 2 is an outstanding choice for efficient and effective farming practices. Designed and manufactured in 2020, this machine remains highly popular in the fields due to its precise cutting blades and modern conveyor system. Equipped with a CAT C18 engine, single-lever steering, and a pressurized cab, this machine features advanced wheel and tip operations that extend service life. The acclaimed Twin Ram 580 CL series bore, with its oversized chamber and L-shaped body design, easily accommodates vehicles as large as a full-size van. The 1100 series chopper rollers are designed as straightforward yet highly effective tools for bulldozer land clearing, making a notable contribution to biodiversity. Used in heavy industries, these machines are manufactured in massive sizes to tackle substantial tasks. These features guarantee exceptional stability during tipping, even at the maximum swing angle of the tipper, ensuring safe and efficient operation in the market. Throughout the relocation process, meticulous planning and cutting-edge equipment ensure that the structure remains intact and is safely transported or lifted to its new location. This machine offers an extensive range of applications, enabling it to effectively process a variety of materials, even those with the most stringent specifications. This state-of-the-art marvel streamlines the bridge construction process across the river, all while optimizing labor efficiency and conserving valuable resources. This time we have a colossal vessel equipped with a large backhoe excavator. The backhoe dredger is securely anchored with 3 spud holes, while a barge is moored nearby, ready for operation. The Camag slag pot carrier is a vital asset in the steelmaking industry, renowned for its crucial role in the efficient transport of molten slag, a common byproduct of melting ores and scrap metal. The Liber LPS 420E electric single crane is engineered for port operations, offering seamless, mission-free functionality with the capability to handle up to 11,200 tons per hour. The Caterpillar D1R bulldozer is exceptional at ground leveling, combining remarkable power with efficiency. Equipped with a robust engine and a sizable blade, this machine easily transforms uneven terrain into a smooth, flat surface. The Hyundai HL 975A features a power output of 250 kilowatts and an operating weight of 26,500 kilograms. This wheel loader is considered one of the best options for smaller capacity requirements, offering excellent performance and versatility. The revamped T14R modification enhances cab visibility, featuring user-friendly controls and advanced warning systems. A standout characteristic of this dump truck is its exceptional maneuverability, allowing for precise directional movement. The Volvo L350H features a maximum bucket capacity of 13 cubic meters. Powered by the Volvo D16J engine, which has a 16-liter displacement, it delivers an impressive torque output of 2,550 newton-meters, ensuring robust performance for heavy-duty tasks. The Chemrock chain cutter EK1-140 is expertly designed for excavators weighing between 10 and 50 tons. This versatile tool excels in trench excavation and rock mining, effectively handling materials with uniaxial compressive strengths of up to 100 megapascals. The Cat 973 is a track loader engineered to excel in earth moving and material handling tasks, delivering reliable performance and versatility for a wide range of applications. The WGEN Surface Miner 220 SM 3.8 is designed for optimal performance in soft rock environments. Featuring a 3.8-meter cutting drum unit, this machine enables operators to maximize productivity while keeping operating costs to a minimum. The shredding knives or blades provide finely shredded or coarsely chopped material based on the selected blade setting and screen size. The blower, measuring 1.55 meters in diameter, is equipped with durable wear-resistant surfaces, ensuring long-lasting performance. The KTR chain trencher is engineered to create trenches with precise profiles, offering widths from 17 to 45 centimeters and achieving depths of up to 1.8 meters, tailored to meet specific project requirements. The XCA 600 L8 is an all-terrain crane featuring a maximum lifting capacity of 600 tons and a boom length that extends up to 345 feet, designed for precision lifting in a variety of environments. Caterpillar's 657E motor scraper is a formidable earth-moving machine celebrated for its impressive hauling capacity and efficiency. Designed to swiftly transport substantial volumes of earth, it is an indispensable asset for large-scale construction and mining operations. The Terramac RT14R is a versatile crawler carrier designed to perform exceptionally well in small and sensitive work areas. Its full 360-degree rotation capability allows for offloading from any angle, enabling efficient and repeatable operations as needed. This Kimrock excavator cutter attachment, much like several others on our list, features a rotating blade specifically designed for cutting through stone walls with precision and efficiency. The Caterpillar D11R, introduced in 1996, is among Caterpillar's most powerful bulldozers. Widely utilized in the mining and construction industries, its slow yet robust movements enable it to efficiently push heavy materials such as rocks, sand, and soil. The Lear LHM 6600 is a robust and versatile cargo handling machine that excels in efficiently moving and managing cargo, ensuring a seamless loading and unloading process for ships. Crane machines play a vital role at construction sites. The Sotiriatas Ade, introduced in 2000, made a significant impact, drawing the attention of many mining industry owners with its impressive enhancements and capabilities. According to the Guinness World Records, the Bagger 293 is the largest land-based vehicle in the world. It stands an impressive 315 feet tall. Whether equipped as a walking or floating excavator, both versions benefit from the Rimu Pond 2 undercarriage. This innovative design allows the excavator to perform reliably in the most challenging conditions, including soft ground environments. Gardeners harvesting sweet corn with modern harvesters exemplify a remarkable fusion of technology and agricultural efficiency. These harvesters are expertly engineered to swiftly and effectively gather corn from the fields, maximizing productivity and minimizing labor. The chain-type soapstone cutting machine is designed for on-site sizing in stone quarries, enabling precise and rapid cutting of blocks to meet specified dimensions efficiently. The 85H Pro hydraulic forestry winch delivers a pulling force of 8.5 tons and features user-friendly operation with its unwinding device, auto-stop function, and smart 3-in-1 capabilities. In this video, you'll observe the intricate process of sand extraction from the ocean. This involves carefully dredging the seabed in specified locations, all conducted under the expert oversight of professionals to ensure safety and sustainability. The new 986K seamlessly integrates outstanding features focused on reliability, productivity, safety, operator comfort, serviceability, and sustainability, making it a top choice for various applications. The 355E model loader utilizes its blade to stack sugar beets while simultaneously taking samples from each shipment for quality control. In contrast, the 835G hybrid model efficiently loads the beets onto barges. This transloader handles an impressive 270,000 tons of sugar beets during the harvesting season. Next, we have a BYD garbage truck featuring a distinctive set of arms that can slide up and down while securely gripping a bin in its clamps. This innovative design simplifies the process compared to traditional clamp attachments, saving time and enabling effortless handling of both medium and small trash bins. Utilizing modern machinery for digging and installing drainage pipes is a sophisticated technique vital for agriculture and land management. Powerful machines, such as excavators and backhoes, are employed to efficiently excavate trenches, ensuring optimal drainage solutions. The Torum 785 is a versatile combine harvester designed to efficiently harvest a wide range of grain crops, including spiked cereals, legumes, oilseeds, and arable crops. The XE7000 XCMG features impressive dimensions, measuring 23.5 meters in length and 9.4 meters in height. It is equipped with a substantial 13,600-liter fuel tank and powered by two engines generating 3,600 horsepower, enabling it to reach a speed of 1.5 kilometers per hour. The machine features an impressive boom that extends to 42 meters in length, powered by two 600 horsepower Cummins engines that generate approximately 4,000 pounds of torque. This crane has the capacity to transport thousands of tons of wood daily to the processing plant, significantly enhancing operational efficiency. The Model 8825C vibratory road roller is exceptionally versatile, user-friendly, and requires minimal maintenance. This equipment easily adapts to different conditions and tasks, ensuring reliable and efficient compaction of construction materials every time. The DA45 is an articulated dump truck known for its robust strength and remarkable hauling capacity. It is designed to transport heavy loads efficiently, even in challenging terrains. One standout machine in this domain is the Cat 65 Super Ripper, a powerful unit equipped with a diesel engine that boasts an impressive capacity of up to 1,044, delivering substantial strength for demanding tasks. The EX8006 stands out for its durability, lightweight construction, and cost-effectiveness. It can confidently be regarded as the best in its class. This machine is renowned for its low maintenance requirements and ability to endure the harshest operational conditions. It can be easily customized for specific applications. ChemRock offers dual hydraulic motor disc cutters specifically designed for rock excavation. These cutters enhance performance and efficiency, ensuring optimal results for various applications. If you find this content fascinating, please consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to the channel for more exploration into some of the most remarkable machines out there. The machine is also capable of blending additives such as lime or cement with the soil to improve stability and increase volume. It features innovative cutting technology that enables adjustments in both cutting width and depth. The Brunn 585 is capable of plowing to a depth of 7 feet and installing pipes with a diameter of 12 inches. Thanks for joining us today, everyone. If you loved this amazing showcase of heavy machinery, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more incredible content. Stay tuned for our next video. It's going to be epic.